Hello everyone, welcome to new video. In this video I will show you how to create moon phase trend on TikTok. The trend, which started as early as last year, has gained traction in the past week, with many users on TikTok uploading their videos and using the hashtag moonphase. The trend isn't just for romance either. Some users compare their birthdate moon phases with their friends and pets. So let's start. First, go on your browser and type your moon phase. Then go on moon phase calculator. After that, set your birthday and country. Where are you from? Then tap on this and take a screenshot of this moon and go back. Then set a birthday and country of your soulmate or friend and do same steps. After that, go on your gallery and crop both picture, only to see moons. When you do that, go on your TikTok and go on search and type moon phase. Go on any video. Then tap on this and go on use on CapCut. Then use template and select both picture of moon and click on preview. Now you can edit this video and you can edit this text. When you finish, go on add sound in TikTok and wait couple of seconds to export. And post video on TikTok. So that is it for this video. If this video like you, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Goodbye.